Welcome back to Peter's Highway. My name is Eric Cederberg. We're here on this beautiful Friday pre-spring day, ready for the weekend, checking out what is probably one of the most well-built Pro Street cars in Sweden today. All right, so here at Peter's Highway, we love race cars. There's one thing we love more than race cars, it's street-driven and street-legal race cars. Just like this 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a 1200 horsepower, 555 cubic inch aluminum block, a BDS 1471 supercharger, and obviously the rear end, the transmission, and all the necessary parts to get this car moving properly. And what this has, which is kind of unique in my opinion, is an attention to detail almost unseen on this kind of performance drag racing car. And when it comes to attention to detail, the interior of this car is just as good as the exterior, if not better. I mean, check out these leather seats, Alcantara, leather, steering wheel. Has a full roll cage, it's got the racing harnesses and everything needed to go racing. But again, it looks less like a show car, you know, a SEMA car, a Ridley car, whatever you want to compare it to. There's so much to say about this car, engine specs, transmission specs, and what's done to the car. So make sure to check out in the auction. We'll list all the specs in there so you don't miss them out. And as usual, I mean, we hope this car goes to someone who's going to drive this car, hopefully race this car, and at least enjoy it. Good luck on the auction.